Hi, I'm Casey Jones, a senior at the University of North Carolina, Asheville, and I'll be graduating in May 2025 with a Bachelor of Science in Business. This semester, I had the opportunity to intern with System Logistics Corporation in Arden, North Carolina. System Logistics is an industrial manufacturing company that specializes in designing, building, and installing automated conveyor and palletizing systems for various beverage distributors across the United States. I interned in the Human Resources Department, where I was able to gain hands-on experience in many HR functions. My focus was primarily on recruitment and talent acquisition, which I expressed most of my interest in because I wanted to gain practical experience in this area. I worked closely with the HR recruiter and coordinator, which allowed me to dive deep into candidate outreach and communication. This included participating in local career fairs, reaching out to candidates through job postings, and managing employee referrals. I also was involved in assisting in employee engagement activities, such as planning events and creating promotional materials for these events using Adobe Express. I was given a good amount of responsibility during my internship, which helped me develop a wide range of skills. One of the key takeaways for me was the chance to interact with senior leadership, which allowed me to refine my professional communication style. I also had to ensure that my interactions with candidates and employees were in line with company values and policies, which taught me the importance of clear, respectful, and compliant communication. Additionally, I honed my critical thinking skills as every day brought new challenges and opportunities to problem solve. The dynamic nature of the role provided valuable learning experiences and kept me engaged. I also gained hands-on experience with several systems and software, including in HRIS, in ATS, and SAP, which I utilized for managing recruitment and employee data. One of the biggest lessons I took away from this internship is how integral HR is in shaping the culture and expectations within an organization. I want to thank my team at System Logistics for supporting me throughout my time there and for giving me the opportunity to grow. Special thanks to Aaron, the Director of HR, and Joshua, the HR Recruiter and Coordinator, for making this experience so enriching. I also appreciate Angel and JR for exposing me to different areas of HR within the company. Lastly, I want to thank Professor Harvey at UNCA for connecting me with System Logistics and for encouraging me every step of the way.